Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. As you can see here, it's something from Tactical Distributors. As you can see here, it's a pair of Crye multicam pants. I believe the ones that I ordered are the, as you can see here, it says these are the G4s. So the G4s are lighter and work better in hotter temperatures than the G3s. I would say the standard issue equivalent would be the Frac-Us, but I don't have any of those. And I need more uniforms that fit me because I never got issued any uniforms that actually fit me. Actually, on the books, I don't have uniforms at all, technically, so there's that. But these are 30 regular, and as you can see here, there's a stretchy little Velcro that you can have for your waist to keep it looser or tighter. And this appears to be the front. Lots of Velcro, which is good and bad. I like it because it's simple and it's consistent. However, I don't like Velcro because noise discipline is lacking. Up here on the top, there's this felt material which feels really soft, and the pants feel really stretchy. So this will be a nice and welcome comfort item while in JRTC. And the blouses are Velcro down here as well. Ample amount of pockets. There's a little bit of Crye logo right here. And then you can see in here as well, it says that this is a combat pants. And I believe there are spots here to put in your knee pads as well. And I don't know if you just shove these in. Yeah, it looks like you just kind of just shove these in because this is all stitched up already. But I believe they're foam pieces, so they're pretty flexible. But that's on back order right now. So those will hopefully come in the future. But overall, these look really good. Super excited to use them, and we'll test them out for JRTC. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next.